Snack crate is happening. This month's snacking adventure. Alright, comes with a cool little pamphlet, little info about South Korea, little fun facts. We'll get into that more later. And I don't want to look at that because it shows me what I have. And I'm here with Mark. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, we got a little sticker and more stickers. Yeah, more stickers. Sounds like I said Snickers. Stickers, and don't mind my nails. They're a little busted. Alright, you ready? Do you want to open it?
Sure.
Alright, don't go crazy. Just open the top. Christmas! I'm in Korea. Cool. Alright, which one do you want first?
I want the first one, the red one.
I want the first one. This one?
Yeah.
Alright, it says... Oh, there's a lot in here. Wow. White Tort. Do you want to try to pronounce it?
Let me see it. Coque Diaz? Coque Diaz.
I thought you said cocaine. I was like, that's something
They might
different.
as well. It's called Diaz.
Oh, you know what that looks like? That looks like Milanos, right?
Yeah.
I like those. Take a bite. Don't eat the whole thing. I need to have some.
No. That's pretty good.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Like a Milano, but easier to chew. Not as hard.
Yeah. It has like a vanilla flavor.
Yeah.
Here, can you have those? Oh, get it almost it.
No.
Candy wants some.
No.
You can't have any candy. So that's cool. It comes with two. So we can have this one for later. Oh, and this one's coffee. So we're going to open this one now. Because, you know me, I love some coffee. Candy apparently does too.
Oop.
Any good?
It's good. The coffee is like very faint, but it's good.
Yeah.
Got a little stronger with it.
Very artificial coffee flavor.
Yeah.
It's kind of like melted coffee ice cream.
Yeah.
You can have the rest. I'll pass. Good?
Yeah.
Get to choose the next one. I want this one because it's pretty. Concho Choco Biscuits. I wonder if they're gonna look this cute. Oh, they look like they will. Oh. Even the packaging is cute. Has a little picture on it.
How is it?
They're good. The chocolate's really faint. Takes a minute. Yeah.
Sure.
What's it look like? Come here. Oh.
Right, there's more. A little piece of chocolate milk.
Yeah.
Like a small Hershey's Kiss.
Yeah. Kind of tastes like that first one, the Milanos.
Yeah.
South Korea fun fact. Almost all restaurants deliver. They'll even come back for your dirty dishes. They're giving you real plates in South Korea. I'm about it. One more. There are 250 kinds of kimchi. Kimchi is a fermented side dish that originated here. I like some kimchi. I like a little bit. I'm not big on the spicy.
Oh, this looks delicious. This is like a gas station snack. This is perfect.
It's like a moon pie.
Exactly.
Take a bite. Oh yeah, like a moon pie.
Exactly like a moon pie. A little drier than a moon pie, but moon pie nonetheless.
Yeah. Much drier. Not even like a little bit. It's like much
It's like
drier.
a fresh sponge.
With some milk, I mean, it's doable. This has no English. Like nothing. So I don't know what it is. So they look like this. What do you think? Are they sweet or savory?
I'd say savory.
I'm gonna
But it
say.
does look like sugar on top.
Yeah, it
Maybe
looks
it's
like
not
sugar.
sweet.
There's sesame seeds in them. This is weird. They're salty and sweet.
That's oddly satisfying.
Right?
Buttery.
Yeah, it's like buttery. And you can taste the sesame seeds in them. The sugar, but there's salt. Very different. You like it?
Oh yeah, I can put a whole sleeve of those away.
Your turn.
Soft cupcake. That doesn't look like anything.
It says custard.
Yeah, underneath soft cupcake.
Yeah. Do you think they're like Twinkies?
Maybe, but like more egg-like.
Yeah.
Oh, try it. Tears in half very easily. Right? It's more moist than a Twinkie. And yeah, it looks like egg yolks on the inside.
It
It's like
looks
a
like
like a deviled egg, but
Ooh,
a deviled
I don't know
pastry
if
instead.
I want that. Try it.
That's what it is.
It's an egg? It's an actual egg yolk?
But you can taste the egg in it. I mean, this is very
Is it
sweet. It bounces all right. It has a texture thing to it.
But that's a yolk, like a hard-boiled yolk.
It tastes like it. Yeah.
Wow.
Is it like an eggy aftertaste?
Oh no, that's all you.
Yep. I don't know what to think about it. I mean, the sponge is real nice, not just a sponge.
Give me a little bit of the sponge.
Yeah,
I'm
there's
not
no
trying to
egg in
get sick.
There's no egg in there. Right there, try that.
Alright, let me try this one just because this one looks weird. It looks weird but doesn't. It kind of looks like popcorn, but like the end pieces of popcorn, you know, like at the end of the bag. Like they definitely saved some money on this one. It's harder than I thought. It's definitely popcorn, but it's plain popcorn.
Not salted or buttered.
And the inside is I don't know what. You want to try?
I don't know.
Come on. It has no flavor. It just tastes like plain popcorn, but it's sticky.
It doesn't have a smell, nothing.
Nothing. That's my same reaction.
I feel like if this was made in America, that center could be totally butter flavored.
Yeah, or something.
And be lightly salted on the outside. Or heavily.
Sweeter. There's like nothing. I think it wants to be sweet, but then it's not.
Fun fact, the Korean flag is highly conceptual. Each of the black lines represent elements while the inner circle is yin and yang. Cool. Almost half of the country's residents have the last name Kim. Cool.
Well, that's why my piece that I got was like super flavorful. The powder was all smashed. That's a real snack right there. Like they're really thinking about it. Like now you know what to have for lunch. Like instead of a bag of chips, you can have a bag of ramen, and no one can say anything to you.
Gotta do it in Korea.
Look, Candy wants some.
No.
And she knows the word no. Look at her backing up. All right.
I don't want any more, but I can't stop eating.
I know. I feel like I'm gonna give you a moment with them noodles. You gonna save it for later?
No, I'm good.
Have a moment with it by yourself, not on camera.
Fun fact, When you are born in South Korea, you are already considered a year old. I did know that. My best friend told me. South Korean men love makeup, spending close to $900 million a year. Get it? I don't know if I'm spending $900 million a year, but I'm probably pretty close. I wish.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one. No English, but we have photos. Oh, actually, yeah. Delicious and fresh baked pie. And I'm going to assume that it's apple. That's what it looks like. What do you think?
It's pretty basic.
I didn't want to say it. It does look a bit basic. Let's see, I'm gonna bite the side that I get more filling. I didn't really get any apple. Oh, dropped it. Like the flaky thing is actually not bad. Like if it was just by itself with the sugar, it would have been the bomb. Oh.
It doesn't smell like apple either.
No.
I'm not gonna load it. No.
It takes a second to get any flavor.
Peach, if anything.
Right?
If anything.
Yeah. You can have it.
Yeah, peach. And that's by itself.
Right? Isn't it better?
Yeah.
That by itself is way better than the actual thing.
Yeah. Just all those.
And they gave us a strawberry one. I'm gonna hold off on that. Because I can't imagine it being any better.
Ooh.
Last one. It's like Oreos.
It's got Oreo
How do you say it?
Pepero.
What?
Pepero?
Oh,
Korea's #1 brand.
Pepero.
Pepero. Looks like Pocky. I bet it's gonna taste like Oreos.
Pocky?
Yeah. Got a
Oh,
Pocky stick.
you know words. You know things.
This is gonna
Like
be,
the strawberry sticks, right? Or the chocolate dip sticks.
I've had the chocolate dip one.
Yeah.
So I feel like these are gonna be like that, but they're gonna taste like Oreos.
I'm surprised they don't say like American flavor. Because Oreos, I feel, are very American.
Kind of. It's definitely more filling than cookie.
Oh, it's strange. Look at that. It's like just on a breadstick. Oreos on a breadstick. Kind of is there.
It's like the Oreo filling with like sprinkles of Oreo cookie mixed in with
It's
it.
very faint. You would think that it was sweet, but it's not. Like it is, but I don't feel like it's sweet as the Oreos that we have here.
Almost creamy.
Yeah. It's a good late night snack. Oh. Alright guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was a lot of fun. We plan on getting more boxes. And who knows, we might be putting this on YouTube instead of Snapchat. But for now, this was fun. And you got to see Candy where she's trying to find our crumbs.
Sure, I left plenty behind.
She clearly liked South Korea as well. I'm glad you guys are liking it. Hopefully I will see you next month with a different country. Who do you think we're going to get? It's going to be a surprise.
Mexico.
Mexico?
Mexico.
I'm going to say it's France. Let's see.
By the way, we forgot to tell you what our favorite was. And it was this one. The one with no English on it. They're called Gosami. Or Gosami. Wholesome wheat crackers with just a hint of sweetness. They were bomb. Get them.